Zoinks! I thought because these bass were so aggressive they'd hit the pink lures, but nope, no cigar. And maybe I just hit a good day the other day. I mean, shoot, I was catching them left and right. 3 days in a row, I couldn't stop catching them. That's too close to anything. Gosh, this is scary. I feel like I'm gonna get snaked up. Uh-oh. Mud. We made it. Spanish moss. Everybody loves that stuff, but it's full of bugs, guys. Stay away. Oh, look, an armadillo. Check him out. Armadillo. Hey, buddy. It's cool to see him walking around. Digging up some dirt. It's really good to see that little guy. All right, that was fun. Oh, he's on a tree. Holy moly. Oh. Look at him go. Where you going, buddy? Let me get you back. Look at you. You're so cute. Well, we know what's going on here. They love the brush hog. They love it. Look at this little guy. He's so tiny but mighty. Little sandpaper mouth. Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't know if we can get through all that. We're gonna have to toss you. Ready? See you later. That's one. We gotta beat 5, you guys. It's kind of cool. You see the boar come and turn up all the land, and then the armadillo come and oh, that was immediate biting. I gotta get a little bit. No. He's right there. A little micro bass. Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, he's the tiniest one. He's the tiniest one. Look at him. Hit it on the top of the water like a champ. That might be the tiniest bass that I've ever caught. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Where'd he go? I do not know. Oh, those little dinkies. We love them. That's two. We definitely got a bite, but that grass got us. You guys, I don't know. I don't care how big they are. It makes me happy. When you feel the bite and that's it. I don't know. Big or small, I love them all. And y'all know I can catch a dink all morning, pull them right out of the drink, 'cause he was smaller than he thinks. Yeah, I can catch a dink on a spinner bait, a tiny Texas rig. You can bet your bottom dollar I'm still gonna holler. Oh, another bite. Even for a dink. Why? Because he put up a good fight, tried with all of his might, but he couldn't help but bite that bait swimming by. I can catch a dink. But when I get to the lake, I don't hesitate. I want to catch a trophy bass, the record for the state. But you know one thing's for sure, I can get stuck. Oh, man. Well, that defeats the purpose of those. Not to have wet feet. Okay. Well, time to retie again. At least we caught a couple. We're running low on battery, peeps. We lost our bait. We got our bait back, but we lost our weight. We don't have any more tiny weights, so we're going Ned rig. Because it's tiny ass fish in here. Let's go this way. We caught some over yonder. Well, let's see if they're over here. We're going there. Oh, come on, Reyes. We just try not to get y'all bites. Yeah. Woo! Come on, baby. Show us what you're working with. Ooh. Hey, buddy. All right, don't spy me now. I know, honey. You gotta get it in the side plate of your face. Huh? Well, the battery died, but we got him off the hook. And now we got our pliers just in case it happens again. When you hook a bass in the side plate, it's tough to get the hook out, especially when they're tiny. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. I can't make any promises. An open hook, man. It'll catch every single weed in the vicinity. Got ripped good on that last bass. Yes, sir. Stay down. Don't fight it. Oh, no. You shook it. And that was a bigger one. He jumped and shook that bait right off. We worked so hard for that little bite. Yes, we did. No, no. Hey, yo. It's 2 I lost. Caught 3, lost 2. Dang. That's the biggest one. Look at him. That is the biggest one so far. Look at you, buddy. Oh, yeah, buddy. I think he might even be a whole ½ pound. He's got a little rough patch. Is that? No, that's not us. Where'd he go? Damn it. There he is. Well, beautiful bass. You guys see him? Thanks for the bite. Get you back into the water. Yay! Got another. Right in front of the old alligator. It's not the greatest thing, really. Now he knows what we are up to. You know? Whatever, let's try it anyway again. Alright, well, I think we should go. Gator is under the water. We don't know where he went. We're just gonna be off. Caught 3, missed 2. Caught 4, I think. I lost count. But we got a lot of bites and we caught a lot of little dinks. And that was fun. I hope you enjoy watching today, and I hope that you'll come back again. And I really hope that you'll subscribe, because I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, which I really want to reach this year. Hit the subscribe button, please. And thank you. We'll see you next time on Fishing with Allie G.